guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where you can get the new recipes for the Midsummer Rhyme event in Heartopia. So go to events, go to the Midsummer Rhyme page, and go to the exchange store. If you don't know where events are, it's here. Exchange store, and then you'll see we have the food recipe, triangle plain rice, which is also known as, I'm somewhat Chinese, but I can't pronounce this. It's Zongzi. Hopefully I pronounced it right. If I didn't, sorry. I tried, okay? And then we also have the pillow-shaped plain rice. So there are two. Each costs 5 of the mugwort leaves. So we're going to purchase that and press learn as well. And you'll be able to, I think, see it on a stove, like what you need to make it. I think you also need to purchase some stuff from Blanc, but that is for another video. So let me see what you actually need for these foods. Let me see. Let's scroll down here. We need this. I think we'll have to get that. And then we also need to purchase the bean. And we also need eggs and meat, but this is for the hidden recipe. So that's what you'll need. And again, I'll be right back once I've gathered all of the ingredients for it. Okay, so for the leaves that you will need for the food recipe, you need to go to the event page again, go to the exchange store, and you actually have to purchase the leaves here, the bamboo leaf. So you can buy as many as you want. I'll just do this much. And we are going to start cooking, but I just have to plant the patty leaf first. So I will do that and we'll get to cooking the actual food. Okay, since we have everything, let's start cooking the food. So we're going to start with the triangle one first, and we have everything here for the plain one. And hopefully it's very easy to cook. I think it is. So I'm just going to, okay, let's cook the other one on the right side of the stove. Well, on the other stove, I guess. Okay, I don't want to press it now because it's going to give me the little animation. So as you can see, we have the triangle one, and we also have the pillow-shaped one as well. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!